Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to increase and decrease the font size on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, just search font settings. Now from here, just tap on font settings. And as you can see, if I swipe to the left, the font size is decreasing on the preview. And if I swipe to the right, the font size will increase in the preview. Now, we will decrease the size of our font just like that. Now, as you can see, the size of our font has decreased. Now, if you want to increase the size of your font, just swipe to the right. Now from here, just go to your home screen. Now, as you can see, the size of our font has increased. And this is how you can increase and decrease the size of your font on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.